The 5 best mirrorless camera accessories everyone must have. Number 1. Quick release clips for your camera strap. Having the ability to quickly and easily remove your camera strap is one of them things you don't really think about, but once you try them out, you can't imagine how you got on without them. Carrying your camera over your shoulder and then mounting it to a tripod without the strap getting all caught up is just fantastic. Price for the Peak Design clips are around £20, but as with most great ideas, copies can be found on Amazon for as little as £8. The nubbins slide into the doobry on the strap and away you go. They're so simple, yet so effective. Number 2. Now we've touched on tripods, let me show you my second recommendation. A small, lightweight tripod that doubles as a vlogging handle. This tripod handle combo costs £8. For that price you won't find a more lightweight and stable tripod. Stops you from scratching your camera or lens on the floor and also adds much needed support when vlogging. We'll touch more on this later in the video, and of course links to everything will be in the description. Number 3. Next we have the small rig Ballhead, lightweight and extremely strong. It can hold a camera and lens weight of up to 3.5 kilos. Link this to your tripod handle for a combined weight of about 200 grams. For 22 UK pounds, you have yourself a super strong, super stable, lightweight vlogging handle and tripod with Ballhead that fits in your pocket, and it's even perfect for desktop vlogs. Number 4. My next recommendation is some ND filters. Now I'm not going to tell you which ones to buy or what strength, as this is going to take some research on your behalf to decide what is best for you, but I would recommend everybody gets a 10-stop ND filter at some point. It's really going to unlock your creativity, even if it's just to learn about shutter speed. The reward is worth the investment, even just as a learning tool. So recommendation number 4 is look at getting an ND filter set. Number 5. My 5th and final recommendation is a microphone. It's amazing how many people still release videos with really poor audio. Go get yourself a shotgun mic. I recommend the Deity Mini D4 at £50 for good value. If you consider that your audio counts towards 50% of your video, viewers will click off a video if it's got poor audio. Again, it makes it a worthwhile investment to have a decent microphone. So there you have it, my 5 recommendations. If you've enjoyed this video, give it a like. And if you want to see further videos from myself, hit that subscribe button. And whilst you're here, why not check out this video?